Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to mark a chat as read from the home page on Gmail on your PC with the new update. It's a simple and quick process that can help you stay organized and on top of your messages. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a look at your list of chats and find the one you want to mark as read. Next, locate the envelope icon at the top of the page. This is the read/unread indicator that allows you to easily mark a chat as read. Click on the envelope icon next to the chat you want to mark as read. And that's it. The chat will now be marked as read, and the envelope icon will change to reflect that. This simple action can help you keep track of your messages and ensure that you don't miss any important information. So, next time you're on Gmail on your PC, remember these easy steps to mark a chat as read from the home page. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.